Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable or disable lift to wake on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures. After click on motion and gestures, so you will see first option is lift to wake is here. If you want to enable lift to wake, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, lift to wake is enabled. If you want to disable lift to wake, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, lift to wake is disabled. You will enable or disable lift to wake from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable lift to wake on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.